Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, I'll be discussing with you Turbo Shine Nexa review. So you might be wondering, what is Turbo Shine Nexa, or the spray that you may be seeing online? So Turbo Shine Nexa is a spray-on car care product marketed as a 3-in-1 solution, combining waterless washing, wax-style shine, and minor scratch repair. Using a nanotechnology-based formula, and it's positioned for use on vehicle paint as well as glass, plastic trim, chrome, alloy wheels, and described as safe for matte and metallic finishes, motorcycles, RVs, and boats. Now, in this case, according to the listings here, it works by filling in minor surfaces or surface imperfections and forming a hydrophobic protective layer once applied. Now, which is said to last for weeks to months, depending on the listing, helping resist water spots, UV exposure, and future swirl marks. Now, how do you exactly use this? Now, in this case, you want to use, or in a clean area, you're treating first. So in this case, you want to clean that area first, shake the bottle, and spray it directly onto the surface. Spread it evenly using the included sponge or a soft cloth and let it sit briefly. Now, some listings specify around 3 minutes, others describe a quicker wipe and go process. Before wiping to a finish, no water rinse is needed. A 100 ml bottle is generally listed as covering 1 to 2 full car applications for a standard sedan or SUV. Now, as for the pricing itself, well, this product is sold through multiple retailers, Amazon, Walmart, and the brand's own site, rather than one fixed storefront here with multiple bottle packs here. Now, being common, so per bottle pricing varies by retailer and pack size, here. So worth checking the specific listings you're buying from for the current price. But as of right now, if you try visiting their website here, typically you could get one for around like $39.99. Now, if you do try getting like the bundle, a 2 bundle, 3 bundle here, you'll be able to get a discount if you're going to compute this. But that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and share button and watch our next video.